Hola! Today we are learning about subject pronouns. They can function as a subject in any sentence. So we have three which are for singular and three for plural. The first one would be yo for I, okay? The pronunciation is yo. Then the second one would be tú with accent mark, okay? That would be for you. Then we have the formal version of you, which is usted, okay? This is more formal and is more used in Latin America than in Spain, for example. Then we have él, okay, which is he. Then ella for she and eso for it. Then we have nosotros for masculine, we, and nosotras for feminine, we. Vosotros, masculine, you. Vosotras, you for feminine. And then ustedes. Again, this is the formal version of vosotros and vosotras. Okay? This is not that much used, let's say. Then we have ellos and ellas for they, okay? The masculine and feminine version. Now we are going to look at some examples, okay? To see how they can be used. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Tú hablas inglés. You speak English. Él habla español. He speaks Spanish. Nosotros hablamos francés. We speak French. Okay, this is for we, but this is the masculine version. Okay, and again, for example, if we are a group of 3 people, okay, and most of us are males, we would say nosotros. Okay, although there can be a female. Okay, so in case there are females but there are also males, it's usually used as nosotros. Then vosotros habláis alemán. You speak German. Again, the same happens, okay? If there is only one male in the group, we already use vosotros instead of vosotras, okay? If there are all females, we would use vosotras. Then ellos hablan inglés. They speak English, okay? Masculine version. If we would like to say it for feminine, it would be ellas. Ellas hablan inglés. Then we have an exercise you can do. You can pause the video and try to translate each of these subject pronouns to see if you understood the lesson. And that's it for today's lesson.